Hello boys and girls and welcome to the Numicon Quiz. So I'm going to show you first the numbers again, then I will take away the numbers and we'll have a few questions, all right? So I might get you to point down here. I have a filmer here beside me. So as we know, 0 is nothing. 1, you have just the orange one, has one hole. Number 2 is the kind of purpley blue with 2 holes. Number 3 is yellow. Number 4 is green. Number 5 is red. Number 6 is blue. 7 is pink. 8 is green. 9 is purple. And 10 is blue. And 11, you have to use a block of 10 and 1 unit. So the first question is, I'm going to take away the numbers now. Don't worry if you don't get it right. Your mom or your big brother might be able to help you. I'm only going to ask you some of the ones we've done so far, okay? So, here's the questions. Guess the colour of 3. Now, I'm not going to show you them yet. Don't show them to them yet. Give them a chance to guess. Well, did you get it right? It was yellow. If you got that right now, you can give yourself a point. So we'll put our points over here. So you can give yourself a point. Now, hide the colours again. Hide them. Don't let them see them. Just can show me instead or show the board. Guess the colour of 6. Does anybody know? Does anybody know what the colour of 6 is? I'll give you a minute to think. Okay, will we show it to them? We'll show it to them. So this one is number 6. So we've done 3. I'm going to get my number 6 now. Wait till I see where is he hiding. So it was this one, the blue one. And we've done 3, so I'll put out my 3. So number 6 was blue. If you got that one, give yourself another point. Now, don't show them again now. Can anyone guess the colour of number 1? Who knows? I'll give you a minute. You just have to say it. You don't have to write it. So look, show them what the answer is. It's orange is number 1. So I'm going to put my 1 out in front of the orange. Will we show them the number 1? There. So 1 was orange. If you got that right, give yourself another point. Now, who knows what colour number 5 is? Have a think. Now, will we show them? Will we show them? It is the red one. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. And the reason you need to know these is because someday I might tell you to make up the number 10 with 2 Numicon items, and you have to remember, oh, well, if I got a 5 and another 5, I could make a 10. Or if I got a 6 and a 4, I could make a 10. So that's why you need to know the colours, okay? So number 5 was the red one. So you get an extra point if you got that right. Now, anybody know what colour number 2 is? Have a think. Okay, we'll show you. It's the purpley blue one. So it was kind of, I'll say purpley. Would we call it purple? Because there's kind of blue and another kind of other blue. So we'll call this one purple. Purple. But if you knew it was purpley blue, that's perfect. You get another point for that. All right. And the last question of that is, what colour is number 4? Does anyone remember? Have a think. Okay, let's show them. Yes, it's the green one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it was green. So give yourself another point if you got that. Now, I'm going to ask you this. What 2 pieces of Numicon make number 5? So we have number 5 here. We can show them. So we need to get 2 pieces, and you can show them the pieces here. What 2 pieces could you use to make 5? Have a think. Okay. Right, I'm going to show you. You could pick, I nearly picked the wrong one. You could pick a 3 and a 2. So we're only allowed to pick 2 pieces because we're only doing 2 together at the moment. So if you picked a 3 and a 2, that would give you 5, wouldn't it? Because look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or there's your 3 and 2 makes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put them together and they have the same shape. So if you got that right, give yourself another point. Now, I'll put that back. Now, the next question. What 2 pieces of Numicon make 3? So here's our number 3. What 2 pieces of Numicon could we use? Now, I'll give you a hint. You can't go bigger than 3 because otherwise it will be too big. So you can only pick something here. So what 2 pieces of Numicon could you pick? Okay, let's see. A 2 and a 1. Who got that right? A 2 and 1 more gives you 3. Because 1, 2, 3. And it makes the same shape, doesn't it? So if you got that right, you get another point. Now, only 2 more questions left. So concentrate. All right. So what 2, now I know back there you could have said 3 and 0, but that would be only picking 1 piece of Numicon. So that's why I said pick 2 pieces, okay? But I know you're clever. You probably were thinking that too. Make 6. So we need to get 2 pieces to make 6. So here's number 6. What 2 pieces together? Oh, there's a few ideas here we could do. What do you think? Have a look down now. It has to be smaller than 6. So we won't show them anything bigger. Smaller than 6. So there's 2 ideas here. You could do a 4 and a 2 if you like. That would make 6. 4 and 2 more equals 6. So put 4 in your head. 4, 5, 6. Or there's another idea. Anyone know? Instead of 4 and 2, give you a minute. Oh, I bet you're thinking it. A 3 and another 3. Now this time you have to turn the 3 upside down to make it 3 and a 3. Now there's lots of other ways to make 6. You could do 6 and 0. You could do lots of 1s, but we're just using 2 pieces, so that's why I'm making it a bit simpler, because otherwise we'd have to write lots and lots and lots of sums, wouldn't we? And you want to have a fun day today, not too much work. So the last question is, so you get 2 points if you got those 2 answers, or do you know what? You can get 2 points even if you got 1 answer, because do you know what? It was tricky, wasn't it? So how to make number 9? Now, I'm doing this especially now. Senior infants were working on the number 9 this week. So here's number 9. Does anybody know? Now, I'll give you a bit longer to think about that one. Now, just pick 2 pieces, okay? All right? But there could be a few options. So you might think of one idea, but your brother might think of a different one, or your sister. Okay, we're going to go with this one. So first, we'll do a 6 and a 3. So a 6 and a 3 equals 9, because look, they fit perfectly. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 and a 3 equals 9. So that would be right. And you could do, let me see, you could do a 5. Someone else might have thought of this one. A 5 and a 4 equals 9. 5 and 4 equals 9. Okay, 6 and 3, 5 and 4. You could do, there's lots of ideas here actually. You could do an 8 and a 1, make 9. I'll write that there. So there's lots of ideas. So if any of yours came out right, you can get I'll give you 3 points for that, bonus point, because that was a big number now. So there's other ideas you could do, but we'll just keep it nice and short and add up. How much points could you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If you got 13, oh my God, I think you're a genius. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the fun, and we'll go back to our normal Numicon again on Monday. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.